Hi, this is Marna at JTech. Today we're going to be discussing a hybrid electrical service system. Before we can actually touch the electrical portion and removing the service port, we actually have to inspect our PPE first. If you walk over this way, I'll show you our protective gear that we'll have to wear for this. First, we have our rubber gloves. I've already turned them inside out and inspect the inside for any abrasions or cuts on the inside. We're going to check the outside and make sure that there's no cuts, visual tears, breaks, or anything that could cause the electricity to flow through and shock you. If you look here, you can see that they are a class 0, which you want because it's 1,000 volts. That's what this will be covered on. Max use 4,000 volts AC. And then you also want to see the timestamp on it. You want to make sure that the gloves are not older than a year when you are using them. If they are, you'll have to send them in to get re-inspected and recertified. To check the gloves for pressure and air leaks, you will take the top, fold it down towards the fingers, and then just hold it up to your ear and listen while you're squeezing for any air leaks. If there's an air leak, you'll just have to go ahead and throw them out and get a new pair. You want to make sure you inspect both pairs of gloves, inside and out, as well as doing the air leak, to make sure that no harm will come to you. Once you have that portion done, you'll also want to inspect your leather covers that will go over the rubber gloves that will actually prevent these from being punctured if you're touching anything that might have a sharp edge while inspecting the car. This here is our hot stick. This is used when you're working on it. You want an assistant, like our friend here, Sean, to hold on to it while you want somebody there while you're inspecting any high voltage vehicle. This is just in case you get shocked. This is how they will yank you from the car, because if they try to grab onto you, there's a chance that they'll be electrocuted as well. All right. As we're putting these on, we're going to go ahead and look at the system here and just check the procedure for taking out the service port. As you see here, it does say leather gloves must be worn over the rubber insulating gloves. You want to make sure that you have the proper leather gloves. There has to be at least a ½ inch gap between the rubber and the leather on your arm. Make sure your assistant is close with the hot stick. All right. We already pulled the seats down in our hybrid to get to the service port easier and for the video demonstration. This right here is our service port plug. These are actually our voltage wires. You never want to touch the orange wire with your bare hand, and you never want to grab them while the service port is in. To remove the service port, you will lift the lever. You will hear the snap for it unlocking, and then you will pull it out. Now, when you're working with these vehicles, you want to make sure you place them on the antennas so other people know that you are working on the car